is number 2 of a Glitz Gel polish. And then I'm using number 34, which is the Sparkling Rose Gold. And I did this ombre. It's really simple. If you want to see how I create this look, I did save the videos on our IG, YouTube, and also Facebook. You can check them out. It's so easy. So you can use it ombre with this too, which is no difficult at all. And then I have the second nails that I did, which is number 9 is Metal Gray from Glitz Gel Collections. And then number 28 Hollows Silver to create this look. And I promise, it's take you probably 2 minutes to create this look. So we already have the base down. So now it's fun part to add the crystals on. So I'm going to probably doing it this one. And I can add one for the green and then one for the red. So then you can see it, okay? Hope everyone have a fabulous Friday. You are working, have a really productive Friday and making a lot of money. I'm going to pick up just a smaller condensed glue gel. You need more, you can always add some more. This one and this one. Yep, there you go. And on this nails, we are gonna do not quite like cover all the crystals on the nails, but I am going to doing it on tie the nails really good layered. You don't want to being it too much, because too much is going to flood a crystal and too little is going to not adhere your crystal properly. So I'm going to go ahead and adding the no wipe top coat floating. So now if you are choosing to do the matte finish, you can definitely add the matte top coat, but in this nails I like it to be shiny because it has the glitters holes on the background. It's going to definitely give it such a really good dimensions in there. That is for a lot of you love in the crystal designs. And I'm going to add this one. Remember that we did this one with the frame. I'm going to get the frame first. And then, as I said, you can adjusting it around with your crystal. And then you can do it longer, the more crystals on or less. It depends on the length of the nails. I'm going to move it just a little bit up here. Move this one up here. And you place like stationary of the 2 centerpiece, which is the drop, and then crystal scales. As long as you get them really close and tight together, you will never go wrong with that. And then if you fit this one, you can. I'm adjusting the frame just a little bit. Get that one. I'm going to move it like that way. You can do it that way as well. And using on the other ends of the pickers to adjusting your crystal to avoiding getting any of the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat on it. Okay, I'm adjusting it. I will show you on this one, we don't, but next nails, next tutorials, I mean in the next video, I will show you how you can bend yours metal frame using the frame bender to go in different direction you want. So the best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat, it is you have all the time in the world to adjusting it. You can see that I have like chance to adjusting the crystals. You can see that before you key it, because it's not going to set until you are going to key it. So I'm going to adjusting it until it's go exactly what I want. Go on this side to make sure that it's not like crooked on this. So now if your clients don't want, or if you don't want any of the crystals on, the beads on, you can definitely cure right now. It's a perfect cure for 60 seconds, full cure. And then you fill with the precision glue gels. But I'm gonna using the beads from the kits. It's gonna be really easy for a lot of us who love crystal designs, and especially for the holidays. And literally you can get a lot of different cool designs out of this crystal perfect combination kits. You'll never go wrong with this, because it has not only the SS filling and frame and the beads that I'm using right now, it also have the center pieces of a different shape and a different colors, different sizes, that you can able to, you know, create different designs. I'm gonna do is place the beads between the crystals and crystal and frame. All right, so we'll make sure it's even on the client's ends and on your ends before you are final cure. Continue if you want to more, but I think it looks so gorgeous right here. Adjusting it. Oh, I like the frame look a lot. The different way it looks good too, and this one it looks really good too. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cure. Gorgeous.